Hello everyone, welcome back with the ZW3D basic 3D modeling tutorial for exercise number 8. Okay, first in here we can create new drawings. I will choose part and use a standard subtypes. You can click OK. Click sketch and I will choose this plan. Okay, you can choose easy plans and you can click OK. The next we can draw a circle. Start from this point and I will set for radius into 30. We create again circle at this point. We can set radius into 30 and then you can use dimension, quick dimension to set a distance from the center point into here. We can set into 100. Now in here I will create line objects. You can use draw tools and I will create line start from this point into here. You can press middle mouse to enter and then we can set for tangen. You can choose here tangen, click this line and circle. The next this line object and this circle. I will create line again, start from this point into here. The next you can use power trim to cut this line objects. Okay, we cut in here. The next at this point we use power trim again to cut in here and at this point. Okay, now we already created this simple sketch. In here I will use offset command. You can click here offset. We can set for offset distance into 20. For curve we can select this curve. Okay, don't forget to change direction into this direction into the top and then you can click OK. The next use draw commands to combine between these 2 points and also we can combine in it. Okay. You can click exit and to convert into 3D models I will use extrude tools. You can click here extrude. We can set for extrusion into 20 and extrude type one side. For profile you can select this profile and then you can click OK. Now we can select at this face and then I will create a new sketch in this face. You can click here sketch, click OK. The next I will create circle, start from the center point with the radius 30 and then I will set a distance from this point into here. We can set into 10. The next from this point into here we can set into 10. Okay, now you can click exit and then we can use extrude tools to extrude the circles. We can set this option 8. Next I will change extrusion into 30 and you can click OK. I will select up this face. You can draw again circle. We can set for radius in the circles into 10. The next you can exit and then we can use extrude tools. Select the circle. We can change for direction to the bottom here. You can use remove tools and then we can set for extrusion 20 and you can click OK. So it will be create all. We can create again after this face. Okay, circle. Do the same step. Okay, you can click circle command, click at this point. We can set for radius 30. And then we can set a distance 10 in horizontal and also in vertical we can set into 10. Click exit, use extrude tools and I will select this profile circle. We can set for direction into here and then for boolean you can choose 8. For extrusion we can set into 30. Click OK. The next we can select at this face. We can create sketch. Okay, we can create circle with radius 10. Click exit and in here we can use extrude tools. Select the circle profile, change to inside here and then we can use remove tools. We can set for extrusion into 20. So it will be create all. The next we can use fillet tools. You can click here fillet We can fillet with a radius 5. I will click at this edge for fillet. Click again in here. Okay, the next we can click at this point. You can select this edge one by one. The next in here. Okay, and then at this point. And now you also can fillet in here. And this edge. Okay, and then at this point. You can press middle mouse to apply, or you can click this OK to apply these fillet tools. We can fillet in this edge into 4. You can click here fillet, and then select for reduce into 4. For edge, select at this edge. You can click OK. Now we already create these simple 3D models for exercise number 8 with ZW3D software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.